we will be seeing example for LL of 1 parser. What do you mean by this LL of 1? L means left to right scanning happens. This L means leftmost derivation. 1 means one look at a time. Okay, we'll see one example. Okay, and as you know that for top-down parser there should not be left recursion, left factoring. Okay, and it should not be ambiguous grammar, and no factoring must be possible. So we have 3 steps. First step is compute first and follow function. Second, compute parsing table. Third one, using that parsing table, parse the given input string. Correct? So we will see an example for arithmetic expression. What is the unambiguous after eliminating left recursion, left factoring? What is the grammar? Okay, for arithmetic expression, E tends to TE dash. Okay, E dash tends to plus TE dash or epsilon. T tends to ft dash, T dash tends to star ft dash or epsilon, and F tends to. Don't wonder how we'll get this one. The general arithmetic expression we are having, E tends to E plus T or E or T tends to T star F or F tends to ID. For that grammar, after eliminating left recursion, left factoring, there is the grammar what you will get. Understood? For this grammar, this is suitable for which type of grammar? Top-down parser. We have to consider these type of grammars only. Okay, keep that in mind. By keeping that in mind, I have taken an example. Now we'll compute for construct LL of 1 parser. Okay, first step, you know that we have to construct first and follow. We have to compute first and follow function. Okay, see, what do you mean by first and follow? First is a function, okay, which is a set of terminal. What is first? First is a function which has the set of terminals, okay, which is present in the RHS of the start of the RHS in each production, and this first and follow both are calculated or computed for non-terminals. Got it? So first we'll see how to determine first. As I told, first is a function which is a set of terminals. Got it? Where is the terminal? The terminal which is present for that non-terminal in the very beginning of the RHS, that particular terminal we have to consider. That will be the first of that non-terminal. Okay, while computing you will get to know. Okay, so first of we have to compute it for all the non-terminals. First we will see for E. First of E. Whenever we calculate first of particular some non-terminal, then we have to consider the very first terminal if it exists. For this production, is there any terminal exist in the RHS? No. If there is no terminal exist in the RHS, then you have to consider first of that particular non-terminal as the first of this. Got it? So we'll move on to T to see that what is the first of T. Again, what do you mean by where we have to see for first? We have to see for the very beginning terminal in the RHS. Here also for T, there is no terminal in the RHS. So what we have to do? We have to consider first of F as first of T. That is equals to first of F. This must be continued until you get a set where you have the set of terminals. Okay, in the very beginning of the production. So first of F, where we have to redirect for this production. F tends to. Okay, so now we are calculating first. First means what? Very beginning, if there exists any terminal, we have to see. Okay, so in this production, this open braces is a terminal. Yes. So first of F, we have open brace, and in this is separate production. This is also separate production. In this production also we have to check whether there exists any terminal. Got it? So ID is a terminal, and you will get doubt that for yes. Okay, till here you got it. So this is first of E, first of T, first of F. We got till here. Okay, next for all the non-terminals we have to calculate both the function first as well as follow. Now we have computed for E we got, T we got, F we got. Next left out is what? E dash. First of E dash. How to compute first? We have to check for the terminal exists in the RHS. What is that? Is there any terminal exist in the very beginning of the RHS? Yes. So first of E dash will be plus. Got it? For this production. We have one more production where we have epsilon, that is also again terminal. So we have to consider that also. We have completed for E dash. Next, first of, what is next? T dash. We have to compute. Check whether we have any terminal at the very beginning of the RHS. Yes, we have star as well as epsilon. Star, epsilon. And yes, we have already computed. So for all the non-terminals we have computed the first. So this is nothing but the first of non-terminal. Okay, you got to know first is nothing but the set of terminals. Which terminals we are going to consider? Terminals which is present in the very beginning of the RHS of that particular non-terminal. Understood? Okay.